Okay, welcome everyone. Hopefully you're snacked up, you've stretched, had coffee, etc. Seth is back, by the way. We found him. He ran away for a while.
I was in the snack area where they found me with a lot of empty wrappers.
He was curled up in a ball.
Somebody must have taken the snacks.
I don't know who that would be. Yeah. So, do you know what this is, Seth? This is social time.
Well, you know what? Every time I'm with you, Donna, it's social time.
It's social distance time, Seth. That's
but
different.
wait, what is social, air quotes, distance time?
So, good question. This is a time when all of us should relax, unwind, play some trivia, just kind of reflect on the day, think about what all happened today, what did we hear, what are our takeaways, what are we going to go do with it, right? It's fun to come to a conference and learn things, but if you don't have a plan for what you're going to do with it or how you're going to teach it or learn it, apply it in your life, it's actually not that useful. So we are going to just take a few minutes to have a breather and enjoy the lighter side of Build. Plus, we're going to meet the Imagine Cup winners. I know, they are so smart. And guess what? There's a musical performance powered by code. I didn't do it. It's by an actual person.
So today has been really fun for me. We've been here, I think it's 52 hours so far?
Maybe.
I've talked to developers, I've talked to data scientists, I've talked to people and other people, and then there was that thing with the place and the person with the hair, which, by the way, all of this goodness is going to be recorded and available for you after. Make sure you continue to socialize using hashtag MSBuild. It's been really good today. I'm pretty excited about today.
Yeah.
I'm almost not going to leave. They're going to make me leave, and I'm going to be like, no.
Wow. I'm pretty sure the next set of hosts are going to just toss him straight over here.
Speaking of tosses.
Tosses. Okay, so the Imagine Cup winners, I believe, are standing by. So we are going to have a chat with them. But let's look at their championship story so we can refresh our memories on who they are and what they've made.
For nearly 2 decades, students like you have participated in Microsoft's global technology competition, the Imagine Cup, to bring their innovative tech solutions to life. But the Imagine Cup is more than just a competition. It's an opportunity for you to work with friends, meet like-minded students, network with professionals, gain new skills, have a chance to win cash and cloud credits, and make a positive difference for humankind. How would you change the world? Join the over 2 million students who have experienced Imagine Cup and make your dreams a reality through creativity, collaboration, and competition. Sign up for the 2021 Imagine Cup at imaginecup.com and show us what you've got. Dream it, build it, live it.
Now to some truly incredible student developers who are $100,000 richer today. Please welcome Imagine Cup 2020 World Champions, Team Hollow and Imagine Cup and Microsoft Student Partner PM, Pablo Veramendi. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Big day, huh? Congratulations, Team Hollow.
Fantastic. So for those that didn't catch it earlier today, give us a recap of what Team Hollow created.
Yes.
Any one of you.
Piyush, tell us the thing.
Okay. Hollow is a preventative mental health AI platform. We're trying to really change how mental health actually works. Mostly there's a big gap between people and therapists who are experiencing differences, difficulty in recording and telling their stories. And with the help of Hollow and with the help of Microsoft Azure, we are bringing this mental health platform in an accessible and in a very easy way for people to record and express their things easily with their therapists, and for therapists to gain insights from the valuable data that they receive with the help of the big data services and AI powered by Azure.
I think that's so cool because the problem these lovely folks have taken on is that they have tackled something that is, first of all, a global problem, and second, a taboo problem. Because many parts of the world, including parts of Asia where you both live, talking about mental health is just not done. People believe that it's this horrible stigma, and if you have mental health concerns or problems, you should, hide it forever. I've heard about this problem from so many places I've been, from all over Africa, We had a friend who was trying to build like a virtual therapist thing because her college roommate suffered from terrible mental health issues. I've heard in Latin America, we even heard it in parts of the US. So I think it's amazing that you're tackling something that's not an easy problem and something that is not easily understood to many people, right? A lot of people are like, what are you talking about? This is not a problem. And you're saying it's a problem. And that's why we're going to apply technology to it. And I think that's amazing and wonderful. So
Absolutely.
That's super cool.
And as a company,
Yeah.
I mean, we are super invested. In fact, our own CEO, Satya Nadella, said, I'm always impressed by the ingenuity and passion of Imagine Cup
Yep.
teams to build a better, more connected world. Congrats to our 2020 champions, Team Hollow, which
Exactly.
is addressing a big challenge in applying AI to make healthcare more accessible.
Yes.
Good, congratulations.
So Cameron, what are you going to do next? Now that you've won Team Hollow, what's next for Hollow?
Sure. So for us, a lot of it is making sure that we get the product ready and available for NGOs, for people around the world and in Hong Kong to use.
Yeah.
And so mostly for us is proving this concept that it works in the context of NGOs more and more, and so at a larger scale, and then being able to allow it into the public for everyone to use.
Amazing. Do you have anything you want to show us? Show the audience?
They have a demo.
They have a demo. Look at Pablo. Pablo is like all knowing over there. He's like, yeah, we did this.
He's
You're
like,
welcome.
They have a demo.
They have a demo.
All right, he's
Pablo,
going-
where did he go? He just left.
He's going to get the demo.
Oh, he's gone to get it. Okay.
It's in his
Nice.
fridge.
Who
Oh,
has,
there it
oh,
is.
he has it. He has it. Okay. There it is.
Camera for you, if you can do the voiceover, would be great.
Okay, cool.
So this is our start page, and basically a user begins with a check-in. The calendar that you see there is to motivate users to do a check-in. A check-in is basically what you see right here. You record, and at the same time, you answer some industry standard questions. The recording is actually detecting your heart rate real time, and as well as analyzing your sleep quality. These are industry standard tests asked in therapy, and based on this, our machine learning model would finally understand your symptoms based on your heart rate. It would analyze your stress quality. It will also detect your emotions at the current time, and as well as your sleep quality, and relate it with the amount of mood swings, anxiety, or depression you're currently experiencing. At the same time, will guide you to a therapy path, which is very specifically recommended by the final analysis done by our machine learning model. And from this data collected every day, you come in and go through this platform.
That's
and
amazing.
This is also shared real time with the NGOs and the therapists, adding to it,
I love this. Okay, ML guy.
All right, so
Yeah.
last, we got like 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Pablo, tell us all about the Imagine Cup, why
Yes,
it's important,
why it's
and
important.
how people should sign up.
Call to action.
So this is the 18th year of the Imagine Cup, and it's really an opportunity for students across the globe, 16 or over, who are in the university, to bring their ideas to life. We give you the platform, we give you the tools, and we want to see you bring your ideas, form a team, bring them to a global stage, and you could be like Hollow and the other competitors. Join us at imaginecup.com and sign up for the 2021 season today.
Love it. Thank you so much.
You heard him. Follow Team Hollow on Twitter, hollow_HK. They are legit.
Again, congratulations again to Team Hollow, our 2020 Imagine Cup World Championship winners, Pablo and the team. Thank you so much for joining us.
Okay, so social hour is not over.
That's right.
There is something very, very exciting brewing here in the studio. So we heard about this just a few days ago, and I didn't believe it, and Seth really didn't believe it. Making music through code. It's not something you hear every day, and it's definitely not something we have the skills to do, Seth and I. Therefore, we're really excited to introduce you to DJ Sam Aaron, who DJs with Sonic Pi, which is this amazing tech platform where you code music with code and code with music. So, hi, DJ Sam, there you are.
Hello.
How are you?
Very well indeed. Hello. Greetings from Cambridge, England.
I want to
Yes.
hear about, like, you've got like lights and stuff, and your keyboard is
Yeah.
awesome. How are you
Yeah.
making music with code? Let's hear about that.
Yes.
So I have built a coding environment that teaches children how to code. So this is a tool that anyone can learn. I built it for 10-year-old children, but however old you are, as long as you have an open mind, you can learn how to code by making music. So really, it's just
Look
the
at that.
idea really is to get engaged, is to go into classrooms and to use music as a way to engage children in programming.
Everyone is smarter than us. That's what
I
learned.
basically
Yeah.
this is what this show
Yes,
is about.
Exactly.
Everyone is smarter
this
than us.
is brilliant. I love this because which kid doesn't want to be a DJ? You ask a kid, do you want to be a computer
Precisely.
scientist? They're like, no. DJ? Yes.
Yeah, but
So in the UK, we had introduced computer science into the schools, and we
Yes.
asked typical programming people what they got excited about programming, and they said sorting algorithms, and binary arithmetic.
Sorting algorithms.
And I don't
Seth
think
says
those are
that.
the kind of things that are going to get kids really excited
Right.
about programming, whereas music really is.
computer scientist DJ sounds legit.
It sounds very legit.
Totally, totally.
So tell us how this works. Are you coding?
Tell us
What is
about
it?
the rig.
I want to
what's
hear how
the
this all
setup?
works.
Yeah.
So I've got this ridiculous setup which I'm using to explore and experiment and to research and to push the platform forward. But all you need is a PC or a Mac or a Linux machine, and it's totally free. It's open source. You just download it. You go to the website, download it. It's got a full tutorial built in, and you can learn how to make your own beats and rhythms and synths all straight away. Super easy. It's no issue at all.
He says
but
super
of course,
easy.
then
Yeah.
if you have an extra kit like this, you can start to actually hook all this stuff into your system just with simple pieces of lines of code. So you can control and you can manipulate. You can put guitar effects pedals in. You can put microphones in, electric violins in, all with simple lines of code. And everything I've built, 10-year-old children can use.
Hold on. So I'm a program. We're programmers here. But
Yeah,
Are we
okay.
talking like MIDI or what is it? How are you building
sure.
this?
So I can do MIDI in and out. So you can plug a keyboard in, you can twiddle knobs, and you can press things, and events come in. And with 2 lines of code, you can make that into a keyboard. I mean, it doesn't do anything by default. You get to choose when I press the key, what does it do? And you get to program that in. But also you can do network messages. So I can send messages over the internet using, again, 1 line of code and receive them again with 1 line of code. And then I get to choose what happens when you send me a message, and you get to choose what happens when I send you a message. And together we can make a band and do amazing and crazy things that other people are going to really struggle to do with traditional platforms.
We're going to learn to do this.
I literally spent all of my life
we're going to learn to do
studying
this.
calculus.
Yep. No, wow.
And then this is more exciting.
Way more advanced, right?
Yeah,
You just need to know about numbers, right?
Yeah.
And numbers go up and they
Yes.
go down. That's it.
And
Higher number, higher notes. Lower number, lower notes. Super easy.
That's kind of wild.
I know.
Right? I have never thought about it.
I want to hear. Can you play?
Can you spin something for a spin? They say
I wanna
spin.
sound-
Yeah.
I want to see what you can do. And
Yeah.
I know most DJs
Yes.
also do stuff like effects.
Yeah.
Are you like an effect
Effects
I
person?
can
DJ.
turn my light off.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I can get
So everyone has
I've
good
got my
lights today.
other machine here. I can put some visuals on like this.
Whoa.
Great.
Snap.
I'm in the future, right? And then I can also, I'm just going to switch to some screen here, and I'm going to, on my mouse, I've got a multi-screen mouse going on. Where is this? Where is this? Hold on.
That's
There we
okay.
are.
As you're
I'm
finding
gonna
it, I
switch.
said, "Oh snap," which literally ages me.
Yeah, it does.
Like
Ah,
now, everyone knows
switch
I'm
to different
56
kind of
years old.
visuals, and I can put the code there as well. So this is the code you can see here.
Okay, look at
And I
this.
can merge them together.
This
and I
is
can
wild.
do some crazy stuff. And the whole thing is when you're making music in this way, you tend to project the codes as well as yourself. So here I've got the visuals myself and the code all going at once. And so I can run this code. Just playing a basic sample. Can you hear that in the studio?
We can hear it.
We can hear it.
Excellent. So I can get them bass in as well. Yeah. I'm gonna turn it on
Oh my
studio.
goodness.
Are you saying this?
Yeah, can you hear that? Just 2 samples. I'm just playing 2 samples, and you can choose any samples you like to get some beats going.
Okay. He's doing this. This is insane. Can you imagine us?
They told us to dance on stage. No.
I think we should not do that because we want you to stay for the rest of the stream because Seth and I, is this crazy? He's having a full-on rager. Like, this is amazing. Look at him go.
I'm just gonna watch it. I mean, what are we gonna say? Just watch this.
I hope everyone at home is like live tweeting this.
Like, is he?
Crazy.
Like, what is? Like, what code is this? Python? Java? I don't understand.
It's not C++.
Did he say Ruby?
Did he say Ruby? He's just, you know.
Like he can't hear us anymore.
No, because he's in the zone.
with dramatically, drastically simpler tools than I did C++ for a long time. I did Java. I did C#. I know how to make big systems in those
So
languages,
interesting.
and I completely believe
That was
you
amazing.
do
Yes.
not need all that complexity.
Wow.
I need to go download that
Both
stuff.
of us were like, what just happened? Yeah.
Like, we just sat there agape.
in awe.
I had to look up the word agape so that I could use it
So you could use it in a sentence.
By the way, good morning, Sydney. It is 10 in the morning there, and we are still going to be streaming for you. We are just about ready to throw to you all, our Sydney remote host, for the next session of our event. But first, let's check on social. Donna, what do we got going on?
Well, we haven't tweeted for about 6 minutes.
All right.
So we're going to go have a look.
Let's
see
do
what's
it.
going on. Congratulations, Hollow team. Thank you, James Vandenberg,
Look at
for the
that.
call out to Team Hollow. You know, it takes a lot of work to be in college, at the same time, build things to change the world and, you know, make humanity better.
And we just stood there
Yeah.
and watched it.
Yes, exactly. We just watched in awe. That's amazing. We're in good hands with the next generation.
Of course.
So Nitya's visual sketchnoting class is just tearing up Build, apparently. So this is amazing. Like, I didn't know all this about sketchnoting. I thought this is fascinating. First, 65% of users are visual learners, learned a lot about sketchnoting. This is maybe the 7th tweet I've seen about this session. And Nitya is an amazing artist. She sketchnotes some of our talks, and it's like, I'm framing that because that makes my talk look kind of good. And just look at this, like capturing ideas quickly, connecting characters, this familiar drawing. You build like an arsenal of drawings that you use a lot. It's just fascinating. So if you get a chance, you should watch it. It's recorded and on demand. So definitely do that. What else?
What else we
is
got?
interesting?
Look at this one. Scott saying day one, it literally goes to 11. No.
Yes.
It goes to 11:59 plus another 24.
Plus another day.
Yes.
Yes. We're not kidding when we say 48 hours. So 48 hours of, you know, fresh live content and checking in with you all the time. Yes, Kyle was wearing those new Surface earbuds. He just got them and then immediately put them in his ears.
What?
Yeah. Did you notice he was wearing the new Surface earbuds when he was talking to Christina? I bet Christina noticed.
I did not notice. They look fantastic.
I can't wear them, but they work for everyone else, which is so cool and so interesting.
Oh, look at this. This video was
This is so good.
absolutely darling. And I was like, basically, one day I am going to have to work for her.
Yes.
I want to.
You should.
I need to.
Yeah, you should.
Whatever building she has, I'm going to be in.
Someone who knows what MakeCode is and learns JavaScript at this age is going to know it better than any of us will. And she's going to be inventing programming languages.
By the way, that segment with Amanda Silver was legit. We broke so many microphones here.
Yes.
She dropped them all.
Because she dropped them all.
She dropped them
all the microphones.
That is correct.
Yeah, all the microphones.
All right.
We got our Windows Insiders fighting.
Oh, where?
They're fighting
where?
about cats. So this sounds like a Windows Insider program. Oh, no, they're just high-fiving. So Raphael, hello in Germany. I hope you're asleep. And Eddie is not asleep. He's in North Carolina. I thought they were having a fight. They're not. Sorry. False alarm. False alarm.
Let's keep scrolling through.
Look at this. More about Nithya. Nithya. Good job, Nithya.
Wow. Everyone loves you.
Yep. Very good. See, more colored pencils, ideas, not art. So what I've learned is I'm going to go do Nithya sketch artist class because that sounds amazing.
Basically.
All right. So now, sadly, it is time for us to sign off from day one in Redmond.
How sad. I'm not going to read that. I'm really sad.
He actually.
But we will be back tomorrow.
We will be back tomorrow morning.
We will definitely be back tomorrow. It's been wonderful being with you, and we're going to, I'm gonna
scoot.
I'm gonna
social
scooch.
Distance scoot.
Social distance scoot. Because we've got here Rick, who is going to take over. Do not ask him to take his hat off. He did it one time, and it scarred my face. Like the wind, they hit. Like there's like locusts under there.
I don't understand what he's saying, Seth.